You can expect a lot from the 2016 Jeep Compass. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, heated seats, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.